The Xiaomi i5 Pro Drone is a cutting-edge, professional-grade quadcopter that combines a high-definition camera with advanced flight capabilities, making it a powerful tool for aerial photography and videography. Designed with both novices and experienced pilots in mind, this drone boasts an impressive flight time, a versatile camera system, and intelligent safety features that set it apart in the market. Unmatched imaging and control. At the heart of the i5 Pro is an 8K HD dual camera system, providing stunning visual clarity and the flexibility to capture both wide-angle and ground-level shots. The camera can be adjusted 150 degrees electrically via the remote control, allowing you to easily frame the perfect shot from a distance. The 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission ensures a seamless, real-time video feed to your smartphone, with an incredible range of up to 1,800 meters. This, along with the responsive 1503 brushless motors, offers a smooth and stable flying experience, enabling you to capture truly cinematic content. The dedicated mobile app further enhances creative control with features like gesture photography, trajectory flight, and music integration for your videos. Extended flight and intelligent safety. One of the most impressive features of the i5 Pro is its exceptional 48-minute flight time, powered by a high-capacity 3.7V 900 mAh battery. This extended endurance allows for longer, more immersive flying sessions without the constant need for recharging. Safety is paramount, and the drone delivers with intelligent, four-directional obstacle avoidance, actively detecting and navigating around objects to prevent collisions. Additionally, optical flow positioning ensures stable flight both indoors and outdoors, making it a reliable performer in various environments. With its foldable design, the i5 Pro is also remarkably compact and portable, weighing just 156 grams, making it easy to carry on any adventure. A comprehensive and convenient package. The Xiaomi i5 Pro arrives with everything you need to start flying, including the drone, screen remote control, battery, and all necessary accessories. From its robust brushless motor to its intuitive control system and user-friendly app, every aspect is designed for an easy and enjoyable experience. Whether you're a content creator looking for a high-performance tool or a hobbyist seeking a reliable and long-lasting drone, the i5 Pro offers a complete and compelling solution for all your aerial needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, tips, and tutorials.